Hey everyone, Carlos back again. Welcome back to the Alibaba.com Buyer Guide series. Today we're tackling a crucial topic for all Alibaba.com buyers, returns and refunds. Let's face it, global sourcing can be exciting, but what happens if your order isn't quite right? In general, but especially when you've ordered a product from another country, returns and refunds can feel like a minefield. You and I both know that as business owners, product quality is critical. Returns don't actually have to be a nightmare. Alibaba.com's easy return program will make sure the return process doesn't turn into an Advil moment. Imagine this. You sell office equipment. You've just placed a large order for ergonomic office chairs. They arrive. When you unpack them, the material isn't what's advertised, and the sizing or maybe the wheels are totally off. Now you're wondering, maybe panicking, how do I fix this without losing money, time, or possibly getting put out of business? Does any of this sound familiar? The process is way too complicated. Filling out forms, finding a shipping carrier, waiting for weeks, it's exhausting, and nobody's cash flow is going to allow for it. It's cost prohibitive. For international returns, often have to pay for shipping out of pocket. Policies aren't transparent. Some platforms don't even make it clear if you're eligible for a full or partial refund. And then they don't provide updates on your return status. These are all real frustrations. That's why Alibaba.com designed Easy Return to eliminate these issues and make returns effortless. So what's Easy Return? It's your solution to all these headaches. Easy Return is a sub-service of trade assurance. Remember trade assurance? Yeah, it's designed to give you a smooth and worry-free experience. Here's the gist of it. Easy Return allows you, the buyer, to return certain products locally, free, and get a refund if your order is missing or if there's an issue with the quality. You can return products within 30 days of delivery. Instead of shipping items internationally, you return them locally to a designated warehouse, and yes, you get your refund. Finding products that are covered by Easy Return is, well, easy. Follow along with me. Let's pull up the search bar. I'm going to type in office chairs again. Alibaba.com highlights Easy Return eligible products with a special badge right here on the product listing page. Look for the badge that says Easy Return or Money Back Guarantee, just like this one. For products not covered by Easy Return, Alibaba.com still has your back. And in case you were wondering, yes, this is also part of trade assurance. So how do I return these faulty chairs? Easy. Just go to your account, look at your order history, click on Request Refund, fill in the details, upload a photo, and print your free shipping label. Drop off the product at a nearby drop-off location, and they'll take care of the rest. Some pro tips. When filing for your return, document everything. I mean everything. The communications, what you agreed on, the shipping labels, the products, from every angle. There's no such thing as not enough documentation. For orders under $3,000, your refund is processed within a few days. One more thing. If you place a return within 2 hours of your purchase and your product has not yet shipped, the refund is immediate. Everything I have just shared with you can be found here on the Trade Assurance webpage, and I'll share the link in the comment below. Thanks for joining me on today's Alibaba.com Buyer Guide video. If you have any questions about Easy Return or anything else related to buying on Alibaba.com, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Alibaba.com buyer guides, and I'll see you next time.